Ever wanted to share the news without getting into legal trouble? Let's decode how to retell news responsibly, avoiding copyright infringement while staying informed. First up, understanding your sources. Identify reliable news providers and grasp their specific copyright policies. Almost all have one. This is base ground. Next is fair use. It's a legal principle that allows limited use of copyrighted material without the copyright holder's permission. This is tricky, but important. Pay attention to these for crucial elements. The purpose and character of your use. Is it educational, transformative, and not for profit? The nature of the copyrighted work, the amount and substantiality of the portion used, and the effect of your use on the potential market for the original work. Now, let's transform the content. Paraphrase. Change the word order, phrase the content differently, and summarize to create your own version with your own voice. Avoiding direct quotes. Focus on summarizing the core information, distilling a news item down to its essential facts and key arguments. This demonstrates the news item's core. Always attribute, cite, and provide proper credits to the original news source. Credit is key to showing your audience where your information came from and avoiding plagiarism. Utilizing AI tools for summarizing can be a powerful strategy. Summarizing tools can quickly condense articles, giving you a basis for your own retelling. However, don't rely on it without reviewing. The most important aspect of avoiding copyright infringement comes down to being creative, being transformative, taking responsibility, and attributing the source. It's also about adding your own unique perspective. So, go forth, share the news responsibly, and stay informed.